Hello guys, so we're going to play Craftman. So my name is Baldi, and today we are going to play Minecraft. So this is the change of the skin. So I accidentally changed it, but yeah, I'm gonna play it. SCP, SCP. Okay, yun na, in house. Okay, is that broken? Edit. Okay, this is from the new video. This is the new video. Ay. Loading. So we're going to make 100 subscriber. 100 subscriber, guys. So we have to subscribe to my channel, guys. So we're gonna special it in 100 subscriber. Okay, and here he is in my house. So I accidentally make it. So I'm gonna survive it. Okay. What the? Okay. Okay, let's make see, guys. Okay. So we're gonna what's that? We're gonna make a fence into my bee house. So I need a sword, a baseball bat, kill spider. Bad. You die, horse. I'm gonna make a sheep farm. We're gonna make a sheep farm. Just so. Okay. First, we're gonna put there. Okay. Wait. Guys, there's no abs, guys. I do have abs, no? Okay. Why is it laggy? Why my tablet's laggy? Why my tablet's laggy? Come on. Come on. No. No. I can't control it. Why? I can't control it. Okay. I am laggy. Why they keep on lagging? Why there's so many laggy in the game? No? Okay, let's put a sheep. Let's spawn sheep. Okay. There's ads there. Where's sheep? Sheep. Yan. Okay. This thing is broken. Why always lagging? Okay. Why this thing is laggy? They keep off and on, 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 off and on. Did I hear inside out? Let's try B. Okay. Sorry. Wait. Stop. No! Yan. Come on. Why they look... Come on. Stupid shit. Why they look like these girls? Yes. Stop eating grass. Why does the game so... Stress. Hmm? Come on. Why is it laggy? Let's put okay. Why is it laggy? Let's put let's put door fence. Okay. Why there's so many mobs there? Ay. Come on. Why is it laggy? No. It's still nighttime. Let's switch. I can hear this thing. Stop! Oh my god. What's that? Oh my god. Why is it not working? Ay. Can you stop meet me lagi? Because I don't have time, bro. Wow, perfect. Come on. Okay, let's put come on. Why is it not working? Hmm? Hey. Okay. Let's continue. Oh my god. No. What the? Is that the secret? Oh, I can't open it. Stupid. Ah. Hmm. Wow, I'm a genius. Wow. Why is it there's floating? Hmm. We need this. Okay. Mm, it's so hard. I got no, no. Why this thing is hard mode? Come on. Yan. Stop lagging me. Hey. No, I can't. No. No. No.